This specific model, the E4, is just packed with innovations. Looks like a real statement for the luxury EV space.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at the all-electric Porsche Cayenne. That's the E4 internally.
Yeah, and it's interesting timing, right? There's been some wider chat about maybe pulling back on full EV plans across the industry.
Exactly. But the E4, its premiere is still set for late 2025. Development seems full steam ahead.
It does. And, regardless of broader strategy shifts, this specific model, the E4, it's just packed with innovations. Looks like a real statement for the luxury EV space.
So our mission today is to unpack those features for you. We want to look at how they actually, improve daily use and really change the digital side of things.
Right. What's the practical impact?
Let's start with maybe the biggest convenience thing. Wireless charging. Porsche is really pushing this, an 11 kilowatt system.
And it's the way they're doing it. It's this one-box baseplate. That's the key.
Yeah.
Meaning they're basically the first to market with an 11 kilowatt system where you don't need a separate wall box or control unit hanging on your garage wall.
Okay. Just the floor plate itself.
Yeah, exactly. You get that installed and boom. You're getting up to 90% energy transfer efficiency, which is, well, pretty good for wireless.
So it really takes the effort out. You just, park over it?
Pretty much. Park over the plate, the car might adjust height slightly, and charging just kicks off automatically.
And they've thought about lining it up, because I can imagine that being fiddly.
They have. It's integrated into the My Porsche app, and apparently there's a special view in the surround view camera system. Yeah. Guides you right in.
Okay, that sounds slick. And safe, presumably.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Safety's baked in. The system, which hits Europe in 2026, has foreign object detection.
Like what? Like tools or?
Yeah, metallic objects, but also a motion detector. So if maybe a pet wanders over it or something like that, it interrupts the charge instantly.
Gotcha. Okay, so that handles charging convenience outside. Let's move inside the car. This new flow display concept sounds huge.
It is. Officially, it's the largest continuous digital surface they've put in any Porsche. We're talking a curved OLED screen that visually kind of blends right into the center console.
Yeah.
And then you've got the driver's display, a fully digital 14.25-inch cluster.
And passengers get their own screen, too. An optional one, 14.9 inches.
Yep.
But wait, how do they handle the distraction? Offering video streaming while someone's driving? Is it just that privacy filter tech?
It seems like that's the main approach. They engineer the viewing angles so the driver really can't see that passenger content. Keeps things safe, but adds that luxury feel for the passenger.
Okay. Beyond screens, what about actual comfort?
Well, electrically adjustable rear seats are standard now. That's a nice touch. And this new surface heating.
Surface heating, not just heated seats.
No, it's more subtle. It heats large contact areas, think armrests, parts of the door panels, places you actually touch often.
That sounds like a proper premium feature. Quick, targeted warmth.
Exactly. More efficient and immediate than just blasting cabin heat. And this ties into overall personalization, too. New mood modes. They coordinate lighting, climate, sound, even the seat functions.
Okay, and the really high-tech stuff. Augmented reality.
Yeah. The AR head-up display makes its debut here. It projects navigation, things like arrows and directions, seemingly onto the road ahead.
How big is that projection?
Effectively, it's like looking at an 87-inch display out there. Huge. It really helps keep your eyes forward.
Minimizes distraction again.
Right. Combine that with an AI-powered voice assistant, the Voice Pilot, and you've got a cockpit designed to reduce that cognitive load on the driver.
So with all this digital focus, are they remembering it's still a Porsche performance?
Absolutely. They've been clear about testing the E4 prototype hard. It's been up the Großglockner High Alpine Road.
The classic Porsche proving ground.
Exactly. It's not just about fancy screens. The underlying vehicle has to perform, handle the stress. It's still got that Porsche DNA.
And charging speed for longer trips. You mentioned wireless for home, but on the road?
The claim is pretty high, up to 400 kilowatt DC charging power. That would set new standards.
400 kilowatt. Is that realistically achievable often, or more of a peak potential?
It's likely a peak under ideal conditions, yes. But what it signals is that the car's architecture is built for speed. It means aiming for really quick stops, optimizing that crucial 10 to 80% charge time when you're traveling.
Okay, so it shows they're still focused on minimizing public charging waits, even while boosting home convenience.
Precisely.
Right, so let's wrap this up for you, the listener. What we're seeing with the Cayenne Electric is this interesting balance. You've got cutting-edge digital stuff, that huge flow display, the AR HUD,
Yeah, very futuristic feeling.
paired with really practical daily convenience, especially that 11 kilowatt wireless charging.
Which brings us to a final thought. We know from analysis that something like 75% of electric Porsche charging happens at home already.
Right.
So with this super convenient, efficient 11 kilowatt wireless system coming, does this tech maybe start to shift the main focus? Away from needing loads more public chargers and more towards perfecting that luxury home charging experience in your garage.
Interesting question. Will the ultimate EV luxury be never having to think about public stations for your daily driving? Something for you to ponder.
Definitely something to think about. We'll see how it plays out.